tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, the air. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking day job. Y'all need a fucking day job. This big boy business and you bitches probably made soft. Rap shit is under me until y'all.
Welcome to another vlog, guys. Today on this episode, we've got Josh coming over and we're going to be doing ceramic coating on my white wheels. I've got 8 of them and I'm sick of cleaning them. They freaking get dirty instantly. So hopefully with the ceramic coat, I can clean them off easier. Yeah, hopefully. We'll see how we go though. Josh is a detailer, so he's done it a few times before. It's good to have mates over and do shit with cars. So I've got to take 4 of the wheels off the 180. And then the other 4 are just here. Red floor came out sweet in here too. And so yeah, I just got these 4, probably give them a clean. And then the 4 that are on the 180 at the moment, got to take those off. I just cleaned the 180 yesterday, so it's all nice and schmick. Yeah, this is the top garage that we've just sort of finished unpacking. Yeah, that took ages because it's like you just chuck stuff like all this. There's still a lot of shit that I've got to tidy up. But yeah, how good's the floor up here? That was just like some leftover paint. But now I've got the problem where I'm too scared to mark it, so I'm literally going to drive the car all the way up to the edge here and then put the jack on the orange part, because yeah, now I don't want to mark it because it's so nice. But it will get marked. Anyway, let's go. My car isn't even that low, but you still got to drive it onto blocks to get the jack under it, which is a pain in the butt. It's just a low car life, you know. So you might be thinking, why are you jacking up the car when you got a car hoist? And that's a good question. Basically, the S13's on the car hoist, and it doesn't move very well. And then the new project car, which you probably would have seen already, the Skyline R32. It's still a secret right now, but when you're watching this, it would have been released by then. So that's under it, and they're both in the way. And also, it's just faster to do this. Got it jacked up. Just gonna rip the wheels off. One-handed. Some skills. One of the things I love most about moving to acreage is you can just go nuts with any tool and no one really cares. Whereas before, so I was trying to be like really quiet and not annoy everyone because it would vibrate the whole bloody house, but now I can just go for gold. Nice. Wow, rims change the look of a car so much. Look at the difference in that. It's like a different car. So I've had these drift techs for like ever, and I run them on the front for drifting, and they've been doing well. But yeah, they look pretty average. I painted the spokes black with plasti dip paint, and it's slowly wearing off, so that's why that looks that shitty. Got the beast brakes in there. So I just rip the back ones off, and then we'll chuck on my drift wheels just to roll it around. Literally looks like a different car, but those wheels look so sick. I don't really like black wheels because it like hides the wheel, But these gunmetal grey look freaking sick. I do like the white ones better, but still. So just got all my Kawamis out here. Gonna give them a gurney, and then Josh is coming around shortly. He's gonna show me the ceramic coating process. I don't know what it involves, but I'm guessing you just rub it on and then it dries, and then it protects the paint, seals it, and then also hopefully the dirt doesn't stick to it as much, because these things get filthy like no tomorrow, eh? It's hard to see on the camera, but they get so dirty so fast. If you've ever owned white rims, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But they look sick, so it's worth it. Next up, gonna clean them with the goon, and then get them as clean as possible, front and back, so that the ceramic can stick to it properly. They look cleaner on camera. They're actually really dirty, so. Sort of see in there, in the back there, how dirty they are. They just trust me, they're dirty out. They're super dirty, they just don't look that good. There's not too many products that are actually going to help you get this shit off, except for Bug and Tar Gel by Armor All. They're not paying me a cent, but this shit is basically sent down from up above, and it's just the best shit in the world. Watch this. And see how filthy that is. Just dab a little bit on there. Ready? Literally wipes off. It's like some sort of magic shit. Works really good if you pop a tire and you get rubber slap all over your paint. This shit takes it off like this, like it's just nothing. So I've done these two compared to these two. Damn, that works bloody good. Got 4 done, and Lilo and Stitch decided to come join me. Thanks for the help, guys, much appreciated. So if you didn't know, we have like a whole farm going now. We've got Lilo and Stitch here, 3 ducks that are huge now. Got Mac Miller, Ariana and Ciara, and then there's a whole heap of, what are you guys doing? We're huddling up, keeping warm. Shit, I can't remember these ones' names, but there's like 6 there in that pod, and then we got a heap of others running around, but they're pretty cool. Alright, well that took like bloody forever, so got him here, ready for Josh. Josh is almost here. He's going to come and teach me how to do this ceramic coating. I've got them as clean as I possibly could, so hopefully that's what I needed to do. Alright, so Josh just got here. He's going to be showing me the, what do you call it, ceramic coating.
You've already cleaned them, which is great. Saved me heaps of time, but
Sure.
we'll just, get the ceramic coating on there.
Alright, cool. I'm keen as to see how this turns out, because I'm sick of cleaning all the dirt off them and the brake dust everybody 10 meters down the road. So hopefully this makes it a lot better.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see how we go. Got all these to do.
So just shake this stuff up.
What is it?
This is the ceramic coat.
Oh. It doesn't look like there's much in there.
This is enough to do maybe 2 cars, I'd say.
Holy shit.
So yeah, just put a bit on the pad, wait for it to soak out to the edges. Okay. And you can just apply it.
Alright, so that's all done. It's looking schmick. Pretty keen to get them dirty and then see how well they clean up. But yeah, looking mint. Thanks, man.
That's alright.
Much appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the ceramic coating of the wheels. If you want to get this done to your rims, make sure you hit up Josh. He's got all the equipment and he's a professional detailer. And I'll put his link. Oh, just there. How cool is that? Yeah, I'll put his link there and go check out his page. Yeah, just use his personal Instagram. And if you send him a DM, and you can hook up that way. So he knows his shit and he'll look after you.
So I can do detailing cars, ceramic coating cars, and wheels as well, as we've seen in the video. So yeah, let me know if you want some stuff done.
Cool.
Cool.
Alright. Yeah, that wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, peace. So